Hi guys, welcome to Nene Math. It's me, Nene. Today we're going to talk about triangles. So let's start with the first problem. Identify all the triangles. So as we can see, there are 6 types of triangles, and you can identify the first 3 by their sides, and for the second row, you can identify these 3 by angles. So let's get started with the first one. So this one is a scalene triangle because, as you can see, none of the sides are equal. And also, all the sides are acute, meaning they are all less than 90 degrees. The next triangle is an isosceles triangle. And this is an isosceles triangle because there are 2 sides that are equal, and there are 2 lines on the triangle to show the equal sides, as you can see here. The next triangle is an equilateral triangle because, as we can see, it's very unique because all the sides are equal, and there are also all acute angles, and all those lines on the triangle represents they are all equal to each other. Okay, moving on, we have the right triangle. This is a right triangle because there is a right angle which is equal to 90 degrees, represented by this square that shows the side of the angle. The next triangle is an acute triangle, which all has acute angles, just like the triangles on the first row. So all of the triangles are acute on the first row, and an acute angle is less than 90 degrees. So this last one is an obtuse triangle because this angle right here is greater than 90 degrees. Now let's move on to the perimeter of a triangle. So I'm going to write the formula. P equals A plus B plus C. It's just like finding the perimeter of a square, except we're using a triangle. So we have these 3 labels, and I'm going to label them A, B, and C. And now we're going to add them: 2x plus 3x plus 24y plus 3x. So now we have like terms here. So 2x plus 3x equals 5x. And then we are going to add the 24y. So our perimeter equals 5x plus 24y. Moving on to the next question, we have to find the area of this isosceles triangle. I'm going to write the formula: A equals half base times height. So the 4 centimeters is going to be our height of the triangle, and the 8 centimeters is going to be our base. So looking at the formula, all we have to do is plug in the numbers. So we're going to do half times 8 over 1, also 8, and we are going to multiply that by 4 over 1, also known as 4. So now we have 32 and over 2, and that equals 16 when you divide. So our area will be 16 centimeters squared. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more. Subtinini Math. Bye!